Today we will learn how to extract all digits from text using Power Query. So we have digits at the end of the text, at the start of the text. Sometimes we have even dots, and the last number is the most tricky. And sometimes we have digits at the start and the end of the text, and sometimes we have only numbers, and we want to extract all digits and dots with Power Query. So one cell in this table, then data tab, and from table range. And we basically just need one function. So we have extract information from Excel, but this information is extract as type any, and we need here definitely text, because with the case of only numbers we will get errors. And the last number was talking about this is a tricky one, because in Excel we can see 20.01, but the exact number is 20.007. So it's a visual rounding in Excel. Okay, so we have proper numbers, and we need to change this for text, the text type. Now we can see all numbers are aligned to the left. So we can now add columns. So add column tab, custom column, and let's call this new column digits and dot. And we just need to use Text.Select function, and this function will return text and need text, so the values from text column, and chars. So in our case, the chars we need will be digits. To make it simpler, we will be using the functionality to dots to make a sequence, so from 0 to 9. And we can close our list with curly parentheses, brackets, and now we can close our function with parentheses, and okay, no syntax errors. Okay, and we have digits from all our text, but this formula extracts only digits without dots, and all our numbers are as text, returned as text. And the Table.AddColumn function have the last argument type number, okay, but this argument isn't working with our digits, so let's remove it. We need to add the next step to properly change those text to digits, and we need just add in this list our dot, so we will be extracting dot also. So now we can see dot is here, here, and here. And the next step, we just need to change to decimal numbers. Yeah, we see type number, but in previous step it wasn't working. Now it works. But it's important that when we have leading zeros, this change of data type will remove those leading zeros, and we can just close and load our result to Excel. We can, so for example here, and we can see we will have extract all digits and dot, but because we changed data type from text to numbers, to decimal number, we lose the this leading zeros.